Well, my name is Mr. Arthur Hill Jr.
My name is Terry O'Nasser.
My name is Rick Worley from Whiteville, North Carolina.
I'm now a resident of Whiteville, long-time local young man.
I am a local business owner.
I found out about the Wound Healing Center through my experiences with diabetes and getting a wound on my foot.
I had bad wounds in my left leg.
I was at risk for losing several toes.
Here at the Wound Healing Center, we have 2 hyperbaric oxygen chambers. The hyperbaric oxygen chamber delivers 100% oxygen in a pressurized environment. It also helps to control infection and create new blood vessel growth.
When the Wound Healing Center suggested the oxygen chamber to me, I was just about ready to try any treatment to help me with my diabetes and the circulation in my body.
Since I'm an individual that has a fear of enclosed spaces, I had my doubts and fears, but she explained to me the safeguards.
I was a little apprehensive to start with. It was a piece of cake. I mean, it's the best time that you can have right there.
It was just about equivalent to being in an airplane, you know, when you have to swallow your ears.
I'm a big guy, so there's enough space in there to go around, so you should feel comfortable.
It's a great feeling. It can actually help you in more ways than just your wounds.
I'm pretty familiar with the staff, and as far as I'm concerned, they are top tier. They've played a big part in my healing.
The doctors here that I've dealt with were very friendly, straightforward.
The staff is doing everything they can to bring in and have the best resources for the people in this area. You can't ask for no better than that.
When patients come to see us at the Wound Healing Center, their whole lives have been affected by this wound. So we come up with a personalized individual care plan for each patient, one that they can follow and maintain.
It's great to be back moving again from being bedridden and in a wheelchair.
I was cleared by the doctor to go back into the gym, and that's exactly what I did. That, and I'm out in the field working again.
So now my quality of life is better. I'm able to run. I've got 2 young daughters. I'm able to stay intact with them, and all they have to do, dance, softball, Girl Scouts, like I'm on it.
If you're suffering from any type of wound, big or small, come see us. Let us help you. I've seen the difference.
Life is good. Life is good.